Have you ever wondered if Tesla, the electric car giant, actually buys batteries from its Chinese counterpart, BYD? It's a question that's been buzzing around the electric vehicle world for a while now. And today, we're diving deep into it. Tesla and BYD, two behemoths in the electric vehicle industry, often find themselves in the same conversation. Both companies have been instrumental in accelerating the world's shift to electric power. But are they competitors or collaborators? Let's break it down. First, let's talk a bit about the battery game. Batteries are the heart of any electric vehicle. They're the energy storage system that powers the car. And in the EV race, having a strong battery supply chain is crucial. It's like having a reliable fuel source for a traditional car. Tesla, being the pioneer of electric vehicles, has always been at the forefront of battery technology. They've invested heavily in R&D, building their own gigafactories to produce batteries in-house. But even a giant like Tesla can't do it all alone. Enter BYD. This Chinese company has rapidly risen to become a major player in the battery market. They've developed unique battery technologies like the Blade battery, which has gained significant attention for its safety and energy density. So, does Tesla buy batteries from BYD? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. While Tesla has primarily relied on its own battery production and partnerships with companies like Panasonic and CATL, there have been increasing reports of Tesla sourcing batteries from BYD. Some sources suggest that Tesla has started using BYD's LFP batteries for certain models, particularly for the Chinese market. There are several reasons why this potential partnership could make sense. BYD's LFP batteries are known for their safety and lower cost. This could help Tesla offer more affordable EV options. Additionally, diversifying the battery supply chain can mitigate risks associated with relying on a single supplier. However, it's essential to approach these reports with caution. Both Tesla and BYD are strategic companies, and they might not be keen on publicly disclosing their business relationships. So, while there's growing evidence suggesting a Tesla-BYD battery connection, definitive proof is still elusive. Another factor to consider is the geopolitical landscape. The US-China trade tensions have created a complex environment for businesses operating in both countries. This could influence Tesla's decision-making regarding battery suppliers. Looking ahead, the relationship between Tesla and BYD will be an interesting one to watch. As the EV market continues to grow and battery technology evolves, we could see even closer ties between these two industry giants. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.